Okay, dito tayo sa business model canvas. So define lang natin kung ano yung business model. So describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. So ang business model ay siguro din pinapakita niya lang kung paano mag-run yung business or kung paano mag-work yung business. Yun yung business model. Okay, ito yung 9 building blocks ng business model. So, customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structure. Okay, so ito yung nilalagay sa business model canvas. Okay, sa customer segments, different groups of people or organizations and enterprise aims to reach and serve. So, paggagawa ng business model canvas, kailangan mo lang isipin is yung mismong business, kung paano mag-aralan. Tapos, tsaka nyo lang siya i-fill out yung ganito. Okay. So, customer segments, yun yung mismong customer ng business mo. Okay. So, merong example mamaya na business model canvas sa banking companies. So, customer segments, yung mismo yung customer mo. Value proposition, the bundle of products and services that create value for a specific customer segment. So, ito yung ino-offer mong products or services. Yun yung ino-offer ng business, products or services. Kasi merong service-based na business, tsaka yung product-based. Value propositions and channels, how a company communicates with and reaches its customer segments to deliver value proposition. Siguro kung in what way, kung paano natin ma-deliver nga yung products and services natin sa ating mga customer. Yung channels. Okay. Channel phases, delivery, purchase, customer relationships, so the types of relationships a company establishes with specific customer segments. Siguro tong customer relationships ay siguro pag after the transaction. Kung ano yung gusto mong i-maintain na relationship sa customer mo. Parang personal assistance, self-service, kung may nagka-problema man sa customer, so yun yung sa relationship mo. Okay. Revenue streams, the cash a company generates from each customer segment. Siguro ito yung kung saan nanggagaling yung mismong kinikita mo, in one way. Okay, generating revenue for sales, galing siya sa sales, sa fees, subscription fees, advertising, lending, renting, leasing. Okay, next, key resources, the most important assets required to make a business model work. Siguro ito yung parang resources ng business mo. Kung walang resources yung business mo, imposible siyang mag-run, or hindi siya magfa-function ng ayos. Kasi doon nakadepend yung mismong business mo sa key resources na to. Sa key activities, the most important things a company must do to make its business model work. Yun, mismo activities na ginagawa dun within the business. Yung activities. Partnerships, key partnerships, the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. Okay, mga suppliers ng business mo. And partners. Suppliers and partners. Sino-sino sila? Cost structure, all costs incurred to operate a business model. Yun, mga gastos. Saan magagaling yung mga gastos? So, ito yung business model canvas. Yan. So, business model of banking companies. So, customer segments. Retail and corporate customers. Retail okay, depositors and borrowers. Yun, sa relationships nila, customer relationship, yung personal assistance, automation where possible sa ATM. Relationships. Sa channels naman, kung paano ma-reach out yung value proposition pala muna. deposit and loan products. And kung paano nila ma-deliver yun through channels. So, bank branches, ATMs, call centers, internet, and mobile devices. Yung activity na ginagawa nila ay branch operations, call center operations, and IT operations. Sa branch operation, yung sa mga video yata na branch, ano? Yun yung mga activities na ginagawa nila doon. Key resources, physical and IT infrastructure. Yung mismong ano nila, place. And loan assets. Key partners, investment partners, technology vendors, regulatory agencies. Di kasi ako masyadong familiar sa banking eh. Cost structure, yung mga gastos nila, channel cost. Ito. Yung mga gastos nila dito, siguro sa pagbili nito, yun sa operational din, no? Sa interest expenses. Revenue streams, kung saan nanggagaling yung kinikita ng banks. So fee income and interest income. So, yun lang naman, ano, business model canvas. So, yun.